Hello kids, welcome to Junior's Earth, and today I'm gonna draw an ice cream. So here's the first layer. Now the second one. This is the third one, and last fourth layer. Fourth layer is okay. Now here's my ruler. First I'm gonna draw the cone, but I think I should mark the edge area. Here you go. Now I can draw two lines. Okay. Perfect cone. Just fixing the area slightly. And here a big eye. And here an winged eye. It's smiley face. Pink is the most favorable color for an ice cream, so I'm using pink for its cheek. And I think I should make one layer pink too. Let's use the bigger one. Oh wow, pink, a beautiful color. It's a strawberry flavor, pink. Now I will use purple one. Don't worry, I'll fix here. Oh wow. You can call it a berry flavor. For my most favorite blueberry flavor. Oh my gosh. Now finally I'm using one more darker purple. It's looking like blue actually, but it's purple. Wow. The cream of my ice cream is ready. Now I'm using this yellow color for its cone. Be careful, don't let your color go out. Try to feel the danger area first, and later you can color relaxedly. Wow, cool. A little red for the ice cream's tongue. And inside I will fill with orange. Oh my gosh. Thank you.